Alright, I'm actually going to work on this today and get it going and move it out. So I'm going to give a carburetor a once over and see what's going on with it. Check and see if there's anything maybe clogging it up or anything like that, and we'll go from there. So I'm going to go ahead and take these off real quick. Okay, for these bolts right here, they're 5/16. The two on the carburetor are 8mm. I mean 7mm. So go ahead and take this one off. Set those off of there. And the ones for the carburetor holding are 7mm. So there should be one down here. Not that I didn't strip it out. They're doing that. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the rest of the stuff off of there. Give it a once over on the everything. Off to the side there, so I can get to this thing. So it's easy to do. It's only one linkage to hold it, so you just pull it towards you, disconnect the gas tank, take the linkage off of here, tilt it to your left and slide it off, and that's all you gotta do. So I'm gonna take that off, and then we're gonna give it a once over and see what's going on with it. Okay, got the carburetor separated from the tank. Well, first off, it don't look too bad, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna use my drill to whiz this off a little quicker. So here, we're gonna try this. Let's try that again, shall we? Alright, let's see. I see some stuff in there. I know you can't see it from the camera, but I see some stuff that's kind of settling in there. Let me take that out. See, there's some old sediment in there, so it needs a carb clean. So that's probably what it is. So I'm gonna clean this out, see if I find anything interesting. Well, folks, I have not found anything out of the ordinary yet. The jet here is clear, and I sprayed it both ways, and it's shooting out like it is, so like it's supposed to. So I'm just giving it a once over. Just cleaning it off the best I can, and maybe just needed a carb clean, and maybe it was all that dirty stuff on it. there. So seems like that's all it is. So I'm gonna reassemble this back together. And I know there's other people that put stuff up like this all the time, so you don't need to see me put it all together. So I will come back. Let me just put this together. Alright guys, I got everything buttoned back up on it now. I just sharpened the blade here. So I took the spark plug boot off for safety. There. Cleaned up really good. And underneath, like I said, it's gave the blade a nice edge to it. It don't look too bad underneath. It'll be good to resell again. So it's not a little trade. Didn't have to do too much to it. So I'm gonna give you guys a final start on this thing, and then I'm gonna work on the next project I have. Oh, and the oil was a little low, so I topped it off. It looks like it's right where it needs to be now, so it's good to go. So I'm gonna give you guys a start. It'll sputter and stuff for a little bit, but it smooths out. So here we go. Ready to go. Stay tuned. I'll be working on the yardman's mower next. Okay, guys, I wanted to show you this quick video. I got other videos I gotta put up here tonight, but I just wanted to show you a quick thing on this carburetor here. I already took it apart and cleaned it out the best I could. I'm going to see if it fires anyway. And I'm going to show you a preview of the old gas here real quick. I don't know if you can see it. There's some green in there and there's some debris. So I'm gonna put the rest of this linkage back on here, and I'm going to try to see if I can give it a start. I couldn't resist, guys. I had to do an early start. Got it running. Actually runs pretty good. Here's the other bonus. Self-propelled works. And it'll pull you. I'm going to let it run, but I'm going to show you guys the old gas that was in it. That was the old fuel in that tank. I'm sorry I didn't get a chance to film it there, but I got it going now. That one's ready to go. That one, ready to go too. Well, I gotta change the oil out in it, and I'm gonna sharpen the blade. It's running pretty good though. Not bad for a free mower. So I'm gonna let it run and then start it back up again later. Make sure everything's good. So, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.